How to turn on ringer on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to turn on ringer on iPhone, the process is quite simple. First and foremost, check for the ring or the silent switch. On the left side of your iPhone, just above the volume buttons, there is a small switch. If you see orange, your iPhone is in silent mode. So flip the switch towards the screen so that you no longer see the orange sign, and this will turn on the ringer. Second option is adjust the ringer volume. For this, press the volume up button on the left side to increase the ringer volume, or you can go through the settings option. For this, head over to your device settings. Once you are on your device settings, go for the sounds and haptics. Then search for ringers and alerts and drag the slider in order to arrange or increase the volume. Next option is you must see if the ringtone is set up and not in none. If it is on none, you have to set up the ringtone. Lastly, you have to check for the focus or do not disturb option. Swipe down from the right top corner and then check if the focus or do not disturb is on moon icon. Tap it to turn it off so calls will ring. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.